Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm going to go through everything on our 84 Blazer here. Turn the air on. Go to get this to it's on auxiliary source. Tuner.
Aren't you supposed to
There's
be
the radio.
Maybe.
Typical kids fare. The kids Fairlicious
The
daytime
horn
chips
doesn't
and
work.
coffee.
You can see the gas gauge does.
Just for kids.
Other gauges all work.
For kids 6 years plus.
Blinker to the left, you can see flicker. Blinker to the right. There's your wipers.
Like more adventure when you're driving on or off road, more zip when you're driving around town, and more
Power locks work.
excitement for a rush of adrenaline.
And Nissan more is all they do. From
There's your
sports
left
cars to
window.
exciting EVs to capable pickups and agile sedans, Nissan's diverse lineup can help anyone
right
find something
window.
for their more.
Find your
Here's your
more
dome
at
light.
nissanusa.com. That's
And
nissanusa.com.
Your severe studio weather forecast this hour is brought to you by Bisbee Plumbing and Heating.
We'll show you the lights and take a look at, take a listen to the engine. Is that a good wrench 350 put in at one time? So you did have pollution stuff on it, but like in the old days, everybody pinched them off. Just so you know, there's your headlights. Sounds really good, runs nice. Got the big tires on it, got a 6-inch lift, so tires are a little knobby, so they are a little noisy going down the road, just so you know. But pretty much everything works except the horn. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.